Method of variation of parameters working rule. Write the given differential equation in standard form, that is, make the coefficient of d square y by dx square unity. If CF is not given, find CF and let it be C1u plus C2v. Regard y equal to AU plus BV, where A and B are functions of x. Now we should find A and B by integrating A1 equal to minus VR by W and B1 equal to UR by W, where W is equal to determinant UV, U1, V1. After finding A1 and B1, we have to integrate A1, B1. That would give us A and B. Substitute these values of A and B in y equal to AU plus BV to get the complete solution. Now let's see how to solve the problems. Solve 1 minus x d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y equal to 1 minus x whole square, where x is not equal to 1. By the method of variation of parameters. Now to solve this, we should make the coefficient of d square y by dx square 1. Therefore divide throughout by 1 minus x. That is d square y by dx square plus x by 1 minus x dy by dx minus 1 by 1 minus xy equal to 1 minus x. So from this, p is equal to x by 1 minus x, q is equal to minus 1 by 1 minus x, r is equal to 1 minus x. Now we cannot find the complementary function by finding the roots for an equation of this form. Hence we will use the conditions used in complete solution by using the conditions 1 plus p plus q, that is equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus 1 by 1 minus x. Taking LCM, we will get 1 minus x plus x minus 1 by 1 minus x equal to 0. Corresponding complementary function is e power x. P plus qx is equal to x by 1 minus x minus 1 by 1 minus x into x equal to 0. Corresponding CF is x. Hence we can write the CF of the given equation as y equal to C1 e power x plus C2x, and y is equal to, now we have to write C1 C2 as a and b and proceed further to find a and b. So y is equal to a e power x plus bx, where u is equal to e power x and v is equal to x. So w is equal to determinant uv, u1, v1, that is equal to determinant e power x x, e power x 1. Finding the determinant, we will get e power x minus x e power x, that is equal to e power x into 1 minus x. So we will find a1 using the formula minus VR by W, that is equal to minus x into 1 minus x by 1 minus x into e power x, that's equal to minus x e power minus x. 1 minus x by 1 minus x gets cancelled. B1 is equal to UR by W, that's equal to e power x into 1 minus x by 1 minus x into e power x. All the terms get cancelled and B1 is equal to 1. So A is equal to integral minus x e power minus x dx plus C1. We have to integrate this by parts because it's a product function. So by integrating by parts, A is found to be x e power minus x plus e power minus x plus C1. And therefore A is equal to x plus 1 into e power minus x plus C1. B is equal to integral 1 dx plus C2, that is x plus C2. Therefore complete solution, y is equal to e power x into x plus 1 e power minus x plus C1 plus x into x plus C2. Removing the brackets, solution will be y equal to x square plus x plus 1 plus C1 e power x plus C2 x. Now next problem. Solve y2 plus 9y equal to secant x by the method of variation of parameters. Solution: y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square plus 9y equal to secant 3x. Writing in notation, operator notation, we will get d square plus 9 into y equal to secant 3x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 equal to 0, and the roots of the equation is plus or minus 3i. Hence, y is equal to, corresponding solution is y is equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. c1 and c2 replaced by a and b. Y is equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, where u is equal to cos 3x, v is equal to sin 3x, and r is equal to secant 3x. Now, having found these terms, we'll proceed further to find w. W is equal to determinant uv, u1, v1, that is determinant cos 3x sin 3x minus 3 sin x, 3 cos 3x, that is equal to 3 cos square 3x plus 3 sin square 3x, that's equal to 3. Now, proceeding further, a1 is equal to minus vr by w, that's equal to minus sin 3x into secant 3x by w, that is equal to 3. Secant 3x is nothing but 1 by cos 3x. Sin 3x by cos 3x is tan 3x. Hence, a1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 tan 3x. Integrating both sides, we'll get a is equal to minus 1 by 3 into integral of tan 3x is 1 by 3 log secant 3x plus c1. Hence, a is found to be minus 1 by 9 log secant 3x plus c1. b1 formula, ur by w, that's equal to cos 3x into secant 3x by 3. Secant 3x is nothing but 1 by cos 3x. Hence, cos 3x into secant 3x is 1. Hence, b1 is equal to 1 by 3. Now, further integrating on both sides, b is found to be x by 3 plus c2. Thus, y is equal to au plus bv is the complete solution. Substituting the values of a, u, b and v, we would get y equal to minus 1 by 9 log secant 3x plus c1 into cos 3x plus x by 3 plus c2 sin 3x. Hence, final answer, y equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x minus 1 by 9 cos 3x log secant 3x plus x by 3 sin 3x. One important note here is that we can, while writing the complete solution in this problem, the complementary function is found to be y equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. We can also write it as c1 sin 3x plus c2 cos 3x and choose u as sin 3x and v as cos 3x and solve. So, even that procedure would be correct and we'll arrive at the right solution. Thank you.